Hello friends, if you are searching how to delete Shutterfly account, so you are at right place. Today I am going to tell you how you can delete your Shutterfly account only in some easy steps. All steps you can see on your screen, so let's get started. To delete Shutterfly account, open the Shutterfly website and sign into your Shutterfly account. Press on the My Account icon. Move downward to the Account Management section and press on the Delete Account link. Write your password to be assured that you want to cancel your account. Press the Delete Account button. Further press Next. Select the reason behind cancelling your Shutterfly account. Finally, a confirmation message will be sent to your saved email address. Open the mail and verify your identity to cancel your account for good. And that's it, your Shutterfly account has been successfully deleted. And you are done. Only by using this method, you can delete Shutterfly account. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.